Good afternoon. It's a chilly afternoon in Hackensack, and I'm using some leftovers with whole organic eggs and cage-free egg whites to make a beautiful frittata from this pasta with organic green beans and pesto, a little fresh parsley. I had that for dinner last night, and now I've filled a 4-cup container. This is a takeout container, 4 cups of pasta, whole eggs, egg whites, and this is a no-flip frittata, so it's the crust is setting now in a preheated, oiled 10-inch pan. And then I finish it off under the broiler, and I'll be adding a lot of grated Parmesan cheese on top, so the frittata will be rising up. It'll be a great dish in the morning or afternoon, or even in a sandwich. Okay, so the frittata's been in the under the broiler for 10 minutes. It's on the high setting, and this no-flip frittata, the last put some Italian seasonings on it, just some herbs, and now we put some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan, and put it back for another 10 minutes or so. So here it is after another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes under the broiler. Again, I have a high and low setting. This is on a high setting. If you only have one setting, then of course you can extend the time. Obviously, the first 10 minutes is to cook the eggs inside, and then the second 10 minutes is to melt the Parmesan, and as you can see, it puffs up here. It's just a beautiful dish for breakfast, lunch. And I'm going to wait till it cools down a little bit before I cut it into wedges. Enjoy.